Yes, again, I, Anjum Bhati Nirban, welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. Student, as you all know, that we have completed our book exercise of lesson 2. So, today there's a few exercise remaining, which is about sentences. Okay, so without a further delay, let's get started. First, we we already know that a group of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. In short, we can say the group of words which makes complete sense is called sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. So the kinds of sentences, first I would like to inform you that the declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So here there are few sentences like, read these sentences. I am going to clean my room today. We went to Manali by car. The sun shines brightly. As you can see over here, all these are sentences. These sentences are declarative or assertive sentences. They begin with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. As you all know that the main rule of the sentences is that they begin with capital letter and ends with full stop. A sentence that says or states something is called a declarative or an assertive sentence. Means ये सिर्फ हमें normal बात बताता है. Like I'm going to Kota. मैं कोटा जा रही हूँ. That is only a declaration that मैंने declare किया है कुछ. सो यहाँ मैंने किसी की बर्डन नहीं है, ना मैंने किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछा है, ना ही नेगेटिव है, ना ही पॉजिटिव है. ओके, दैट इज ओनली थिंग व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू डिक्लेयर. ओके, so this is declarative sentence. Read these sentences now. You can see here, will you help me clean up? Have you had breakfast? Who has broken the vase? Here you can see all are like kind of interrogative sentences क्योंकि questions पूछे जा रहे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं mark of question mark over here. So these sentences are interrogative sentences. They begin with a capital letter and ends with question mark. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. And what we have to remember over here, question mark and begin with capital letter. Now next is, shut the window, pass me that plate, please, don't shout. Here imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentence क्या होते हैं हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. A sentence that expresses a command, request or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Means they give us command, request, advice. Okay. सो यहाँ पर imperative sentence है. लाइक टीचर ऑलवेज मतलब टीचर आपको अगर ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं दैट इज ऑर्डर. कोई फ्रेंड आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है, कुछ चीज ले रहा है आपसे, तो दैट इज रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, और हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें कुछ बात बताते हैं एज ओपिनियन, दैट इज advice. Okay, so these all are included in imperative sentences. Now next is, what a beautiful painting. It is the best day of my life. How sad the news is. Now you can see over here exclamation mark. These are exclamatory sentence. Now we will read about what is exclamatory sentence. So a sentence that express a strong or sudden feeling. It's all about feeling. Okay, whether the feeling of sadness or happiness is called an exclamatory sentence. So we have read about four kind of sentence. First is declarative, in which we declare something. Second is interrogative, in which we ask something. Third is imperative, in which the sentence gives us command, request and advice. And last one is exclamatory, which is all about feelings. Okay. Now related to this, we have to do this given exercise. Read it. Identify whether these sentences are declarative, yani we have to use the on the side of declarative. Interrogative means I am, imperative I am, and exclamatory E. What you have to do over here, that अगर आपको कोई भी sentence दिखाई देता है related declarative, तो you will fill over there D. Interrogative, then you will fill I am, imperative I am, and exclamatory E. Okay, so first sentence is, does the earth move round the sun? Here you can see D. D is capital letter, right? Now we have punctuation mark, which is question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. So we need to write over here I am. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is only a declaration. No question here. Okay, no exclamation and no imperative. कोई command, request, advice नहीं, only declare किया गया है. New Delhi is the capital of India. That's why we'll write here D. How beautiful the roses are. Here the exclamation feeling has surprise feeling how beautiful the roses are means E. Our next sentence is please bring me a glass of water. Here we can see the person who is requesting to someone that please bring me a glass of water. The request sentence will add imperative I or am. Imperative sentence. Where did I leave my bag? So where did I? Here the question is here, question mark you can see, and the sentence related to interrogative sentence, that is we'll need to write over here I am. Oh my gosh, look who's here. So here exclamatory sentence. Class, you can find it by the punctuation mark, exclamation sign, question mark, full stop. Okay. The students are working very hard. It is only declaration that the students are working very hard. So D. Hooray, we are going on a trip. So it is happy feeling, and I told you that where we see anything about our feelings, so we'll add over the exclamatory sign, okay, or exclamatory sentence, or here you can see exclamatory sign also. So I hope you all got the sentence about the sentences. Now related to the sentence, we have an activity. See here, rewrite these groups of words as sentences. Okay, आपको क्या करना है ना, rewrite करना है. The first word of each sentence has been highlighted. The kind of sentence to be formed is mentioned within each bracket. Means you have given the types of sentences. According to this, you have to punctuate them and rewrite them. Okay, so this work we'll do in our copy. For your better understanding, I'm going to show you that copy work. So class, as you can see, according to this, you need to write all the work in your notebook. So let's get started. First we get it. Rewrite these groups of words and sentences. Chair, the, sleeps, cat, the, on. Now we have to convert it into declarative sentence. So in declarative, we need to write first, we need to start it with capital letter and ends with full stop. So the cat sleeps on the chair. Second is house intends to a Mr. Anil buy. Now it is assertive means declarative. It is also a declarative sentence. So same rule will apply. Mr. Anil intends to buy a house. Full stop. Okay. Third is promise your be too true. Imperative sentence means be true to your promise. In imperative sentence, we also apply full stop. Be true to your promise. Fourth is the debt cost how uniform much. We will convert into interrogative sentence. For interrogative, we use question mark. So, how much did the uniform cost? Immediately halt the leave. So we have to convert it into imperative sentence. So the answer is leave the hall immediately. As we know, we need to write over here full stop. So I added full stop there. Six is what was when it exclamatory. Okay. What a win it was. Then exclamation sign. Attend the all do functions please wedding. Imperative sentence, we need to convert it into imperative sentence. Please do attend all the wedding function. Full stop. Last one is she for does eggs breakfast like. We need to convert it into interrogative sentence. So here, does she like eggs for breakfast? Okay, class. Now in this way we need to convert our sentences, given sentences. Okay, so this is all about the exercise related to sentences. I hope you all got it. Here we have completed our lesson number 2 with book exercises. Please practice all the exercises and learn word meanings and question answers. Thank you.